okay?
Right, we're going, son.
Birds, you're singing. It's spring
It
and all
is.
that.
Spring has sprung.
Hi there, it's Mark here again. Got Rob on the camera.
Hello.
And Rob's been busy, haven't you?
I have, yeah.
Because he's been rebuilding this car, which is an FTX Zorro or Zorro, we're not sure.
Something like that.
From Alan Taylor up in Scotland.
Alan Taylor.
So yeah, Rob's put a few new bits on this.
Yeah.
It's got lovely plush suspension in it.
It
Look at
has,
the
yeah.
trailing arms, dude. Never tried it, have you?
No,
So we're going to try it now.
it is, yeah.
Let's see
And
how
all of
well
this humpy dumpy jumpy bits.
it goes. Let's turn it on. Right then, Rob. Are you ready on that controller there, son?
I am.
You're right. He's ready. Look.
Here we go.
Let's try it. Oh, you put a brushless motor in that, haven't you, Rob?
I have, yeah.
It seems to go all right. Oh, where's he going? He can't drive, you know, Rob.
Oh God, no.
He's coming down. Oh, blimey. Oh, that looks pretty nippy, dude. Oh, what a wheelie.
Yeah.
A wheelie jump. Is it wheelie good? Oh, he's crashed it for the first time and it's not landed on its wheels. Walk of shame, walk of shame, walk of shame. Shut up, Mark. He's back on wheels. He's gonna have to let me have a go in a minute. I'll see if I can crash it any better.
Definitely.
Right then. I don't know which way he's going, guys.
I'm going forward.
He's going forwards.
I'm going to try a jump off.
He's gonna try to jump off. Whoa! Oh, that looked good.
Whoa!
Whoa! He's got another walk of shame. You're not doing very well today, are you, Rob? He's got it back. He didn't tell me. It goes well, doesn't it? Like the proverbial off a shovel. What motor's in it, son?
Oh!
Oh, where's he going? Oh, Rob. Is he on the wheels? Jeez.
It's 3100 sensorless.
3100 sensorless, brushless. Come here, if you come at me that fast, I can't zoom out fast enough, dude.
Alright, tell me about it.
Give me a clue where you're going, son. No one crashing into him.
Woo!
Oh, I don't know, guys. No, don't ask me where he's going now.
I'm trying to remember the track we used to do. That was it, wasn't it?
Something like that. You're not even on quarter throttle, are you?
No.
Grip rolls well, done it?
Yeah.
Wind!
Someone's gone bang behind us. Oh mate, you're gonna have to have a go.
Oh, I'll give up.
Really? Yeah.
Oh, I'll have a go crashing now.
Okay, dude.
Oh, it's got some poke.
Oh yeah! Walk of shame for Mark, even though he's a bit better driver. Where you going? Have we broke it?
I'm gonna have to get a new mechanic.
What happened?
Look at that, the tie rod's come off, ain't it, dude?
It has.
You get to see that better. So he didn't put a long enough screw in it. Look at that tiny little screw. Oh, I don't know. And
Somebody didn't have a longer
look what
one.
else has happened. I mean, the ESC's fell off. So yeah, I'm going to go back to the pits. I'm going to fix it myself, and we'll see if we can get out for another run. It looks like it's going to be a hell of a lot of fun.
Oh God, yeah.
It goes like a bullet.
Yeah. I might have to swap it for a brushed motor.
Nah, leave it as it is, mate. Just put some longer screws in.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bye. Yep.
You got that?
Yep. Oh. Oh.
Getting it, boy.
It is now.
That's quick there.
Yeah. Oh. Ouch.
God, it goes well, doesn't it?
It does.
No! Not this time.
Oh.